एज वी ऑल नो टुडे इज जंगकुक's बर्थडे। तो उसी बर्थडे की खुशी में आज हम रिवील करने वाले हैं कि जो वो सारे गेम्स जीत जाता है उसके पीछे का रीज़न क्या है। ट्रस्ट मी, आई हैव सीन अ लॉट ऑफ वीडियोज, लॉट ऑफ शोज, लॉट ऑफ वेराइटी शोज, लॉट ऑफ म्यूजिक वीडियो बिहाइंड द सीन्स एंड व्हाट्स नॉट, एंड नाउ आई हैव फाउंड हाउ ही विन्स एवरी सिंगल गेम दैट ही प्लेज। सो यू हैव टू, if you want to see that, you have to watch the video for sure. So as described in the title of the video, how Jungkook's changed the way I feel my life. So it's all started from the Dreamers. I became BTS stan, Jungkook stan after only watching her Dreamers video, not for the first time. पहली बारी देखा था तो okay, I have seen it like okay song है, but I have watched the same performance video I think after 6 or 7 months, and after that, trust me, I made a bucket list of my own, and I have recently added one thing, that is I want to attend a BTS concert. उसके आगे मैंने उसके अंदर लिखा हुआ है कि this is something which I didn't have ever imagine myself that I'm going to write that, but it happened. I think that is a saying na, love comes the time you stop looking for it. I think that's what happened. It's not about the love, it's just about the thing that I didn't want it. I knew BTS from that everybody knows, who is not into K-pop or anything, they know okay, BTS is something many people know. उनके जैसे हमें भी था कि हमें पता है कौन है, और ट्रस्ट में डायनामाइट वाटर हमने कोई भी सॉन्ग नहीं सुना ओके BTS का है, लाइक ऐसे करते हैं ना कि नहीं सुनते हैं, मतलब लाइक ये नहीं कि अटेंशन नहीं देते हैं, वैसी वाली चीज़ थी. बट फर्स्ट आई वॉच ड्रीमर्स. ओके लेट्स गेट बैक टू द टॉपिक. सो हमें डिस्कस करना था कि हमने क्या क्या सीखा है. सो द फर्स्ट पॉइंट जो आएगा वो अगर आप उन्हें अच्छे से जानते होगे तो फर्स्ट थिंग विल बी ट्राई एवरीथिंग. इट्स नॉट लाइक वॉट एवर यू फाइंड लाइक एवरीथिंग गो अराउंड एंड ट्राइंग न्यू थिंग्स, एवरीथिंग दैट यू फाइंड. इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. इट्स लाइक वॉट एवर चैलेंजेस कम टू यू, try to attempt it, solve it, right? And this is a very valuable value, like facing the challenges of your daily life rather than being just depressed and running away. So yeah, you can also take away this is the most important thing. Courageous to be honest, right? In one of his live sessions हमने देखा था कि one of audience were commented on like you have a very flawless skin. What he said next is that blew my mind. What he said is I have no shame in accepting that I don't have a good skin. I spent a lot of money on it to maintain it. And हमें जैसे पता है he is an idol, he is supposed to be perfect and all. In country like Korea जहाँ पे beauty standards इतने ज़्यादा strict हैं that you have to be flawless and this that, the people around them that have created that scenario for sure. And I really admire that how honest he was, and I really want to inculcate in my life to be brave enough to accept the thing, to say the truth rather than just lies. So this is one thing that I've learned, to being courageous, to be honest. So yeah. The next lesson would be humbleness and sincerity. Like at this point of time, he have everything, money, fame, and everything, I guess so. But the humbleness that he shows to our staffs, people, like how they treat them, how he treats them, and humbleness is a very important value for surviving. Trust me. There are many things that we can learn, and please share what you have learned from him. I would love to read them. For now, just let's reveal the secret behind what makes him win every game he plays. You guys should thank me, the amount of research I have put in it. Okay, so now this is the video that you can see what he does before every game, so deeply, like look at him. So this is what I have found, what he was doing before the game, and end up winning every game. So this is the thing, and this is what I have researched. And thank you so much for watching the video, and please do comment like all the learnings that you have learned from him, and your stories too, how you get to know the BTS and Jungkook. I really love to listen all of it because it's very exciting. It is very exciting to me, because I finding BTS and understanding them is a whole story, so I really become excited to know what people's story. So thank you so much for your time.